tease truly remarkable how much time and money most people think you have to spend to grow a YouTube channel. The common belief involves endless hours of editing, constant payments for AI tools, and redoing scenes again and again, often just to get a few views. But what if you could skip all of that and still create videos that look professional and actually get views? This isn't just a hypothetical, it's now a reality. Today, we're going to show you something many creators haven't even tried yet: CapCut's new AI video maker. We'll walk you step by step on how to use it to create videos, with the potential to reach a wide audience, even if you've never edited anything before. The crazy part is that it's completely free. So, you don't need any prior experience, and you don't need to spend a single dollar on expensive AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this tool to create faceless videos that could help you grow your channel faster and easier than you might expect. What I'm about to show you now is going to change how you think about creating videos. So, watch closely, and let's get straight to it. Getting started. Accessing CapCut's AI video maker. To start, you first need to open the official webpage of CapCut. You'll notice you can download CapCut for your Windows PC, laptop, or any other device. The downloading process is very simple. Just click on the download button. In almost no time, CapCut will be ready for you. Once you're in the application, you'll clearly see the AI video maker feature right there. Now, just click on it, and you'll be redirected to a dedicated page. As you can see, there are 4 features that are totally free. These include the Instant AI video feature, the Brainstorm with AI feature, the Avatar video feature, and the ability to match media to your script with one click, which we'll cover shortly. Below these features, you can also find a variety of video templates that you can use to create full videos using pre-made designs. Honestly, there are some pretty interesting choices available. Creating viral content. The Instant AI video feature. Let's begin with the Instant AI video feature. Go ahead and open it. With this feature, you can literally create videos in any niche. For this example, I'm going to show you how to create the kind of horror story videos that are currently gaining a lot of traction, which you've probably seen before. With the Instant AI video feature, you can either create a video using your own original script if you already have one, or you can create a viral style script using the built-in script feature right here, which is what we'll use. You simply need to briefly explain what your video is about. In this example, I'm going to enter something about a guy who received disturbing anonymous text messages. Once you enter a short description of your video, you'll find the video duration settings below, where you can customize the length. To keep things simple and efficient, I'm going to leave it set to 1 minute. Next to that, you'll see the voice settings, where you can choose the voice for your video. There are some pretty interesting options, but I'm going to set it to the Leo voice, since I like how it sounds. Above the script section, you can customize the video format, choosing between short form and long form. Since we're creating a long form video, make sure to set it to 16:9. Once that's set, just above that, you'll see the style settings, where you'll find a variety of video styles. Since we're making a horror video, I'm going to select the horror style right here. Now that everything is ready, just click the generate button below. The generation process usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's done, your entire video will be ready, and it was extremely easy. Enhancing your video. Customization and refinement. Before we export the video, let me show you a few features that can help you make it even better. First, there's the script feature, where you can rewrite the entire script. You can literally customize everything if you want to. Then, under the scenes menu, you can also add an avatar to your video. You can even replace all of the scenes with a talking avatar, and there are plenty of avatar templates to choose from. Also, from here, you can customize the voiceover, changing the voice for the whole video with just one click. In the media menu, you can even upload your own media and include it in the video. If you don't like how the video turned out, you can regenerate all the scenes with just one click. Now, if you head over to the Elements menu, you can customize the caption style for the entire video. There are a lot of styles that look pretty good, like this horror style right here, which I'll select since it matches the vibe of our video. To add that creepy and scary touch, head over to the Music menu, where you'll find a list of free no copyright tracks you can use. For our video, I'm just going to search for horror style tracks. All of the tracks in the horror genre will appear. To add a track to your video, simply click on the import button next to it, and the track will be added throughout the entire video. To add the final touch, let's say you want to change some scenes because you don't like how they look. To do that, simply select the scene you want to customize. As you can see, you can delete the scene, cut it, or you can replace it. If you click on the replace button, you'll see that you can regenerate the entire scene with just one prompt. You can also use stock footage or upload your own media to replace it. But the easiest option is to use the built-in generator feature. First, in the style section, the horror style will be automatically selected for you. Then, above that, the prompt will also be added automatically. So the only thing you need to do is click generate. You'll get a list of 4 new scenes you can use. To replace the scene, just find the image you like the most, then click the button below it. And just like that, the image will be added to your video. And it was really easy. Exporting your final video. Alright, now your entire video is finally ready. So let's export it. To do that, click on the export button above and watch closely. First, in the quality section, make sure to set the quality to high. Below that, in the resolution section, you can choose either 1080p or 4 Kelvin for better image quality. And lastly, in the frame rate section, make sure to set the FPS to 60 for smoother motion. Once everything is set, simply click export, and your video will be exported and ready to go. Now, let's see how it turned out. I received a text message from an unknown number last night. Said, "I know what you're doing right now." Then I got another one that said, "Show me what you're doing right now." I didn't reply to either of them because I was busy. But then I started getting these random text messages from the same unknown number every single night for a whole month. The text would come in at all hours of the night. They would always say the same thing. "I know what you doing right now." Or "Show me what you're doing right now." It was really creepy. While this isn't the whole video, just to save time, you can see that it looks pretty good, especially considering we created it completely for free. Brainstorming with AI, new niche opportunities. Now that we've made a video for the horror niche, let me show you how you can create videos similar to channels that are getting a lot of traction, like those focusing on educational or historical content. This part is really going to amaze you, so watch closely. To start, first head over to the AI video maker, just like before, but this time we're going to use the Brainstorm with AI feature. So go ahead and open it. As you can see here, you just need to enter a simple video idea. In our case, I want a video about ancient pain relief methods. So, I've added that exact idea into the idea section. Once that's done, click on the generate button on the right side. This feature will now generate the topic key points for your video, based on the idea you entered. When it's finished, it will give you a list of relevant key points you can use. If you don't like any of the topics here, simply click the regenerate button below, and 5 new topics will be generated for you. Once you've generated all the topics, you'll need to go through them and find the ones you like the most. When you're ready, just click the pin button next to the topics to select them. In our case, I'm going to select 2 topics from this list. Once that's done, click the generate button below. Here, you'll need to select the video length you prefer. In this example, I'm setting it to 3 minutes. Finally, just click generate and you'll be redirected to the next page. Here, your script will start generating, which usually takes around 20 seconds. Once it's done, you'll see that we've just created a complete video script. And to be honest, the script is pretty humane and engaging, which is exactly what we need. Visualizing your brainstormed content. Now that you've created the script, let's move on to creating the full video. To start, first open the scenes menu, and then open the voice settings. In this section, you'll need to select a voice that fits your video. In our case, I'll choose the same voice as before. Once that's done, just click the apply to all button, and within a minute or two, the voiceover will be added throughout the entire video. Now that you've added the voiceover, let's add the visuals to the video. To do that, open the media menu, where you can either match stock media or use your own media. But the easiest way is to use the built-in generator. So, go ahead and open it. Here, you'll need to choose a style for your images. You have a lot of options, just like before, but for our video, I'm going to use the oil painting style since that's the style many other creators are using. Once that's set, in the aspect ratio section, make sure to select 16:9 since that's the long-form format. Now, finally, just click the apply to all button, and the generation process will start. This process will take around 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the length of your video. Once it's done, you'll see that we've just generated all of the scenes for the entire video. Now, to add the final touches, open the Elements menu here. Just like before, you'll need to choose the caption style you like the most. Next, open the Music menu, and search for History Music Tracks. All of the tracks in that genre will appear. Once you've found the one you like the most, simply apply it to your video. And just like that, your entire video will be ready to export. To export the video, click on the Export button at the top here. Just use the same settings we used earlier. Once that's done, simply click Export. And just like that, your video will be exported. So now, let's see how this one came out. When it comes to relieving pain, modern medicine has come a long way from the days of our ancestors. But what if there were more to the story? What if our ancient predecessors had their own secrets to alleviate pain without the aid of modern pharmaceuticals? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of ancient pain relief and explore some of the most intriguing, often overlooked methods that were used to alleviate discomfort and promote healing. Yep, this one came out very good as well. And even though I didn't include the full video, you can see that it's high quality and really engaging. The Avatar Video feature. Powering affiliate marketing and sales. Now that we've created a video using the Brainstorm feature, let me show you another feature that can really help you when it comes to affiliate marketing and product sales. The feature I'm talking about is actually the avatar video feature. So, go ahead and open it. As you can see with this feature, you can create full talking avatar videos with just a few clicks. What's really interesting is that you can also upload your own picture right here. And once it's reviewed, you'll be able to use it to create a talking avatar with your own image. But also, an easier way to create an avatar video is by using the avatar templates that they have right here. For example, I'm going to use this avatar. And as you can see, the voice for that avatar will automatically match, so you don't have to change anything. Next, you can import your own script right here. But I'm going to generate one instead, since it's easier. Basically, I'll write that I want a marketing video about a natural testosterone booster for men. Once that's done, below the script section, you just need to select the video length. I'll set it to 1 minute, and then finally click on the Create button. Now, the video will be generated the same way as the ones we created earlier. And once it's done, as you can see, the entire video will be ready, including the avatar, voiceover, and captions. At this point, everything is ready, but you can still adjust the caption style to something you like better. Once that's done, you can export the video the same exact way as before. So, now let's see how the avatar video turned out. This is the best natural testosterone booster for men. It will give you energy, strength, and performance. It's really insane that we've created this video with just a few clicks. The one-click solution, matching media to script. But now, to touch everything up, let me show you a feature that is really useful. The feature I'm talking about is the match media to script in one click. Basically, with this feature, you can upload as many images or videos as you want. Once that's done, you just need to enter your video script below or generate one if you prefer. And finally, just click Create. Now, basically, this feature will automatically match all of your media with the script you've added. Once it's done, as you can see, your entire video will be edited for you using everything you imported. So, the only thing you need to do is export the video from here. And just like that, you'll have the final video ready to go. It's really amazing how we've done everything with just one click. And this feature is especially useful if you want to create videos without any editing experience. CapCut's universal accessibility. Now, an important thing to know is that you can literally use CapCut on any device. You can download it easily from CapCut's official website for your PC or Windows device. And if you're a Mac user, there's a Mac version available as well. Also, you can even download CapCut on your mobile phone for both Android and iOS. And it's super easy to do. I've included the download link in the description to make it even easier for you. And since you can use the new AI Video Maker completely free, I believe it's one of the most powerful video creation tools on the market right now. So don't miss out on it. And as always, keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.